You might think telling your friends and families about your YouTube channel is what will help it grow. Or sometimes some of us think that when we post a video, we start sharing it to all the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. That's what will help the video to start getting views where your friends and family are. What if I told you that could be the reason why your video is failing to grow? Maybe that's the reason your video is failing to have views. The thing is, I'm telling you this now. I decided to make this video out of experience. I've got 2 YouTube channels. One, I kept a secret, told no friends, told no family. And the second one, of course, I told friends, told family, say, please support me, please. I haven't told colleagues at work. Let me shock you. The difference in the results is shocking. In this video, I'll be showing you why staying silent, not telling anyone, might be your biggest growth hack. I'll be showing you how that my channel that I didn't tell anyone about is outperforming the other channel. You need to see how this channel is boosting my confidence. Like, it's giving me morale to keep doing YouTube. The truth is, telling people about your channel might be a very good idea at first. Like, of course, you want people to subscribe, especially when you're just starting up. You want them to share your video, you want them to like the video, and you want to get the views, right? Because these views is something that is giving us headache. Now, let me tell you what actually happens. You see these people that you're sharing your videos to, or telling about your channel, right? They will not watch that video to the end. That's the worst part. Like, and that thing can kill your channel. Trust me, I'm telling you this out of experience. I'm going to be showing you proof. I'll compare these 2 channels, like my channel that I told you people about and the one I didn't tell anybody about. And you will see the massive difference. You see that channel you're telling people about, you're sharing up and down, yeah? People will just like, this girl has sent me another video today. Or this boy or guy has sent me another video today. Let me just click and maybe like and leave a comment so that you will know I watched, right? But these people are not your actual audience. They are not your genuine audience. And in this on this YouTube platform, right, we need our genuine audience, people that like you for who you are, people that love your niche, they love your content, people that are gaining value from your content. Do you get what I mean? So the worst part is you end up getting fake engagement. Like, people will just like, they just click the video, it's not even up to a minute or 30 seconds, they just leave you a comment. They are fake engagement. They leave you a comment, like the video, and then log out. It's funny, but it's killing your channel. Another thing is the pressure it gives you, because you know, oh, I've shared this video to these people. When you are making that video, you will not even be relaxed making the video, because you know, oh, you've told this family member, or you've told this friend, or you've told this colleague. So when you want to shoot your video, sometimes you'll be thinking of your appearance, your looks, or will they say I'm wearing the same clothes, or oh, I'm not even speaking the right English. Guys, if you know me, if you've seen my videos, you know me. I know they call me, I don't speak English. I don't know. I don't form English. Like, I speak in a way you will understand. You understand? Okay. Now, the thing is, you end up trying to create video to impress people, because to you know the people that are watching the video, isn't it? And that's not the goal. That's not how it should be. Now, let me give you my real example. I started my other channel. Well, I can't even remember what year it was, but years back. Of course, even the name of the channel, you will see it on the screen. The name of the channel was like, oh, let these people know, of course, I'm a nurse midwife. And then I told my friends, I told my family, I told my colleagues. I think I even shared it on my Facebook, my Instagram, like all the social media platforms that I belong. I shared it there. I encourage people to support me, to subscribe. With all of this, I thought I'll get a boost, right? But let me tell you what happened. That channel had low watch time, because you know, when you start YouTube, you don't even know what watch time is, engagement, all those things. Like, for me, I started YouTube not knowing anything about YouTube, even editing and all those bits. I knew nothing about it. But when I started understanding YouTube properly, I started comparing. Don't worry, just calm down, listen to this story. So that channel had low watch time, low engagement. In fact, some comments were discouraging. When you post a video, most times you will be checking now then that period where you are new on YouTube. If you're still new on YouTube, let me know in the comment section. If you have that feeling, let me know, because of course, even the big YouTubers, they once pass through that stage. When you post a video, you'll be checking to see, okay, how many views now? Okay, who has commented? Who was the first to comment? Who watched your, those things. That thing can kill your momentum. It can kill your vibe. And then you see that channel, this Favour did not speak that channel. It took me forever to get monetized. It took me forever. You can check the channel out if you want to, but no pressure, please. Don't bother. If you will go and click off, no, don't bother. Anyway, I launched this channel B, which is this channel you're watching, right? This channel, I told no one about it, except maybe for real close friends that I know. They know what's up. Some of them are also YouTubers, which are big. They are big YouTubers, so they know what's up. Okay, and I think can't even remember because it's been a while now. I can't remember the main people I told, but just few people I did tell. I didn't. You'll be surprised to know that this other channel got monetized in trust me, in less than 2 weeks. This new channel got monetized. It got the subscribers, it got the watch hours, and this channel was gaining genuine comments, genuine very good engagement. Like, you'll be happy. It will be boosting your morale. Come on. And the beauty of it is, this channel, okay, check it out. See that first channel, the one I told people about. See how many subscribers it has after how many years. Look at this channel that I told no one about. It's just gaining subscribers naturally, like without stress. And what's the reason? Because of course, here I'm creating content based on the niche, not because of I know you or I'm trying to impress you. Come on, I'm sharing my experience. Like, just know what you're doing and focus on it. That's it. Don't think of, you see, human beings. Don't think of any human being when you're choosing to do something, especially on this YouTube, because the way YouTube works, it will just push your video to, if somebody watch a kind of video, YouTube will be like, oh, this person might like this kind of video. They will look for more videos that look similar to that video you watch. They will recommend it to you. If you click, that is all. That's how the push will be going. What am I trying to say? You don't have to start announcing your channel to everyone. If you're just starting, take this tip. Don't tell anyone, okay? It's hard though, because you want that support, you want that growth, but post your videos consistently. Focus on a niche. It's very important and it's very helpful. I'm saying this out of experience. Compare my two channels. Compare and see for yourself.
So, my lovelies, the life of a content creator. I don't even know what happened here or what happened to my mic here, but all the same, you've heard all I said in the video. Thank you for watching up until this point, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye.